So that shot then. So that shot of me getting into the car, very normal shot. To do that, I had to get in the car, set up the camera, press record, get out the car, lock the car, unlock the car, get in the car like nothing ever happened, like it was the first time I'm getting in the car. It's all lies. Don't believe what you see. Fake news, 5G, lizard people everywhere. We're doing something that we haven't done in a very long time on the channel. We're going up to Tony's to have a play with cars. It's been a minute. So basically, on the old Yaris, we've got 2 tyres that need changing. One of them was rather bald when I bought the car. The other tyre has taken it upon itself to decide that it doesn't really want to hold air anymore. But luckily, when I bought the car, the guy threw in 2 new tyres. Well, I don't think they're new. The tyres, anyway. So we're gonna go up to Tony's. We're gonna throw all them on. Whoa! And then we're gonna get the car on the ramp and have a good look underneath and see what I've bought, really. Hopefully, she's not very rusty. Not a fan of rust. There's traffic everywhere. All I want to do is unleash my 105 ponies. Go! Whoa! Whoa! Absolute weapon. A weapon! You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Christ. Whoa. Brutal power. Whoa. Oof. Take the bloody head off. Tony, goes away. Tony, goes away. It's been a while, has this, hasn't it, eh? Ooh. Here she is, Stone Street.
Alright, isn't it?
What do you think of her?
Tonka car.
A proper little whip, isn't it? I'm calling her the little leopard. Because that she is. She's not bad, is she?
It's not bad.
I mean, it's as long as you are tall.
2 and a bit strides long. That name.
Wing.
Street racing.
Sports aerial. Look at that. That's got to be at least, I don't know, 5 or 10 horsepower, easily. Look at her, she's a beaut. Look, he's lost for words. He's lost for words. This is Boldski. It's not looking very good, that one, is it?
It's there.
We've got some crackage and all. So yeah, that one's going. And then this is the one that's developed a mind of its own. just deflates when it wants. Look at that beast. Get in there. Where are you going on still, like? At least you don't have X5 sills. Racing slick or what? Told you it's a weapon.
We've got a bit of a...
Oh dear.
Yes.
Do you know what this is? It's because of all the power, you see. They're just, these conventional tyres, they just can't cope with it.
You got me. You got me in the eye.
Right, so tyres back on. Now let's have a good gander underneath, see what the chuff I've bought.
It's not bad.
I expected to see worse under here.
For an 2004, it is not bad.
Hey, I tell you what.
Dry as a bloody burn.
That is what we like to see. Imagine if that were me a bit smarter.
It. Bit of amaranth on that, you
Raters new. What? That's looking rather brown.
It's there again, though. It's solid. Just surface shit.
Yeah.
It's like that. That looks knackered, but
Yeah, it's rated, isn't it? I'm happy with that, me. Let's have a look at these bloody springs. Because it said on MIT that they were lightly corroded.
yeah.
But, I mean, yeah, a bit, but...
To be honest, all that is the paint
Yeah.
more than the actual spring. It's just the paint comes off.
Well, I mean, if it needs new springs, may as well get the orange springs. Yeah, once you scrape all that off, it's...
I think it's just the paint, like the thickness is still there, the metal, it's not... I've never seen one that's corroded through enough to break through corrosion. It's like they snap through.
Mush don't look too clever, does it?
That's back shock of this will be probably about 30p.
I know. That don't look... it's a bit...
There's a bit on that joint and then there's a bit of a pinhole. That's where the weld is up bracket.
That's getting lobbed off with a grinder, ain't it, when it comes off? I'm not... Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Right, well, I mean, in fairness, if we throw back to the fundamentals list. Number 1, you need exhaust. Number 2, you need dem laws. Number 3, you need mad wheels. 3 things, fundamentals, right? Once you've got these 3 things, it's then officially a modified car and you can start making it crazy sick. We need some springs. Well, maybe not need them, but I want them. So we're going to say we need them. We've got laws, and then it could do with a new exhaust. So we got that. I just need to curb fuckhead at wheels up my own, so I need some of them and all.
It's solid. Like I say, it looks a lot worse.
Yeah.
As soon as you start scratching it back, like...
Yeah, that's absolutely nothing there, is there?
Just surface scabs.
The little weapon strikes again, mate. Happy days. She's a peach. Right, tyres, done. Underneath inspection, done. Do you want to witness this 105 rampant stallions?
Do I?
Shall we do then?
I feel like my back is the back of the car.
Hit it.
My back's the boot.
Adjust if you want, get yourself comfy cut.
Over.
38 mpg that says. And I rag fucking wipers work. Look at this.
Goddamn. What happened to sunroofs?
Oh, I don't know. No, these bloody panorama stuff now, aren't they? Bloody pepperoni roofs. First impressions.
Not bad.
Not bad, is it? Have a look at that. Look at that.
Control.
Like a bloody housefly.
Tell you what, it's roomy.
Isn't it? Absolutely. And behind. Oh, rainbow! Straight back seats there.
Race camera. Rock engine. Well, this comes with like a full track bill, like, it's just an oh, for God's
Just
sake.
a stopgap. I think I might have set her a little too fucking hard, bud.
Oh dear!
He's got to be Canadian.
Yeah.
I think I fucking said her a little too hard, man. Now, when you see that bloody national speed limit, when you see that bloody national speed limit sign, fucking hell! When you see that national speed limit sign, son, give her death. No!
He's pointing, he's just like, okay. And yeah.
Look at this roundabout. No worries. What roundabout?
Marshallin.
Right, go on, give it a rev air! Rev air! Go on! We won't catch him up. So not being funny, right? This car is more likely to get me arrested than the MX-5 is.
Yeah.
What do you think, man?
It's, hey, there's cubby holes galore.
Boom, 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 boom.
Like,
I didn't buy a car, I bought storage that you can drive. Yeah, it's cool. And I'm happy I've seen underneath now.
Yeah.
I know it's not actually bad at all. Right. It's been a pleasure, Tonster.
Nice.
It's been good to piss about at garage again.
Nice.
It's been a while.
Has been a
Bloody
while.
Rona. Why the fuck I'm sorry a lot too hard, man?
Oh fuck! I was just like stumbling around, just like, oh, there's my fucking radiator.
Yeah, that were good. Honestly, it's been a while since we've done that. There's a bloody Rona and everything else. So it was good to see Tony and do some car stuff with him again, really. I'm happy I've got rid of that bold tyre up front, because it was very bold and split, as you saw. And I'm happy with how clean it looks underneath as well. Like, yeah, there's some surface rust, but where's there not going to be surface rust on a 16-year-old car? There just isn't there, so that's I'm happy with that as well. I think I'm going to go with some lowering springs, get them on, just because why not? If the springs are a little bit crusty, whether it's surface or not, just get rid of them. They advised it on the last MOT, so who knows if they'll keep doing it. So we'll get some lowering springs for it, I think. We're going to price up an OEM exhaust, but then I'm thinking I'm going to get a universal back box and get it fit on myself. I think have a do at that, because that's something that I've never done before, so that'd be cool. Wheels, I'm thinking I might just refurb these. I do want to test fit the MX-5 wheels though and see if they fit. I think that'd be cool. But if they do fit, it will be very difficult to take them back off again. So we'll have to see. But yeah, it's an alright little car. I'm still loving it. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day there. I hope you've enjoyed. I love a good garage hang. Make sure you press subscribe. Let's get that 2K. Let's get that 2K in, eh? And I'll see you on the next one. See you.